it's something that I really need to share with my subscribers, especially with my channel growing the way that it is growing. And I do appreciate every single person that has subscribed to my channel. But from here on out, I do want to give you guys some way better content, but I really need to get this video out to you guys because I do believe that there is somebody out there that needs to hear this. So this is just my story. This is me being real, 110% real with you guys when it comes to being an entrepreneur and just owning your own business. This next chapter of my channel, you guys are going to get the behind the scenes of what it really takes. Hey guys, welcome back to today's channel. So if you are new here, hello, my name is Dominique. On this channel, it's all about business and mindset. So if you are new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and let's go ahead and get into this video. And you already know that on this channel, it's all about supporting each other's business. Go ahead and comment your business Instagram or your business website down below just so we can support each other. And if you have any questions, we could always go back and forth and support each other because it's all about girl gang on here. Okay, so go ahead and leave your business below. Now this video is going to be a little different. So when it comes to my videos, I normally script out my videos and I know exactly what I'm going to say and I know what I'm going to deliver to you guys. And in this video, I'm freestyling it, and it's been about a month since I uploaded a video, and it's because I did not want to upload another video without uploading this one. It was something that I personally had to deal with, and since my audience, my subscribers, our tribe is growing, I just want to have my channel be a place where you know that it's going to be 100% real. And by the title, you already know what it is. I'm going to talk about how to bounce back after a failed business. And being an entrepreneur and being, just an overall business owner, when you start a business, and even if it was successful or not, and it didn't go the way that you planned, you may be in a place where you feel like you have failed. And I'm just here from experience to let you know that it is time to get back up and go back to the drawing board and go ahead and relaunch that business or, come up with another business plan. If you're able to think it, you could create it and make it your reality. To this day, me talking about my first business and how I thought it was a failure, when things didn't go as planned. But now that I'm in a different mindset, I know that it was all a learning experience. I just know how it could be. Picking yourself up and trying to go at, create another business or relaunching the business that you have, it could be difficult. I feel like now is the time for there to be new entrepreneurs out there, new business owners that has that drive, that's willing to take their business to the next level. But you just need to hear that word that it is time. It is time for you to start creating again. And I know after I closed my first business, and let me just tell you that, just give you a little history. I opened up a online store a few years ago, and it was extremely successful. I was one of the first people to have a shapewear companies on Instagram. I simply seen only about 2 companies that had a waist cincher. It was the waist cinchers, the body shapers, and I wanted to order from that company, but instead of ordering from the company, I was really curious on where they were getting their supplies. And so I ended up finding a wholesaler. I started the business, and it was around the time where Kim Kardashian and Kylie Jenner and all of them were posting, their waist cinchers on Chloe post. I mean, there were so many celebrities that were posting waist cinchers on, and what that did to my business, it took it to the next level. And I started reaching out to influencers. Tammy from Basketball Wives did a review for me that literally made my business go from 0 to 100, and it was very overwhelming at first, but it was extremely successful. And being a first-time business owner, I know that I did not do things correctly when it came to upscaling my business, or I was really just learning as I was going. And even though I did amazing in marketing, I flooded YouTube with my business, and I was sending all kind of YouTubers my shapewear just so they could do a review on it. And that, I mean, tons of engagement on my website, on just business period. I was literally making no less than maybe $1,200 to $3,000 to $4,000 a day in that time. So making between $20,000 to $30,000 monthly for about 2 years, or probably like a year and a half, and not really knowing business. I didn't know nothing about really upscaling a business. I knew a lot about marketing because I was using YouTube, I was using influencers. Before they actually wanted to get paid for everything, I was sending out products to everybody. If you type in my company's name, Shape City, on YouTube, it still comes up as one of the top ranking videos on YouTube when it comes to waist cinchers. It has over, I think, like 3.4 million views, and it's still getting views. You know, I wasn't able to upscale my business, and of course sales started slowly going down. And this is why I say mindset is so important. If you don't have the mindset to bounce back from the days that maybe are the months that maybe you're not making that amount of money, and you're not able to regroup and center yourself and ground yourself, you will literally go crazy, you know. So and that's pretty much what happened. Like, I started getting really depressed because I wasn't making the amount of sales of what I was making. And instead of having a clear mind and just figuring out the problem, I just kind of started to let it just die out. Some people might not look at that as a failure. To me, because I did close down the store, because I wasn't no more motivated by it. I really didn't care anymore about it. Not just because the sales were dying down. There was other stuff, like personal stuff, that was going on at the time, where I just really wasn't motivated. And that's why this channel is not only about business, it is about mindset, because you have to be grounded when you have a business. You have to have a clear mind. You have to be able to be self-motivated when it comes to growing a business. Now, we're not talking about just sales here and there. We're talking about generational wealth and what it really takes to get there. I know the formula on how to make a successful online business. I made one already since I closed down that store, because for one, I'm just not passionate about the product, and you know, I just don't want to do body shapers anymore. I want to actually do something that I really enjoy doing, and that is, you know, being in the hair industry, which I do have a online store now. It is doing pretty well. I am getting sales here and there. This is my first time in the industry, so you know, I do need to get used to seeing how things are done in that industry. And plus, it is completely competitive, but I love the challenge, you know. So I love when I get a sale, because they could have went to so many different stores, you know, online stores. I really wanted to just share that story with you. I really wanted you to get to know who I am. I had a very successful online business, and I am in the process of birthing another one. And I really want to take you guys behind the scenes, and I just want to get in front of the camera and just let somebody know that I don't care if it's just one person. This is your time. This is your time to really focus in on your business. Doesn't matter what people say. And that was another thing that I had to deal with, people expecting something from you when you have a very successful online store, and then you close it down, and you know, you have people now talking about it, talking about you. Who cares? You know, I had to deal with that from friends, family members. Who cares? This is your journey. This is your life. If you had a business and it didn't go as planned, and you put your money into it, you invested your money into it, you invested your time in it, and it didn't go nowhere, now is the time for you to get that motivation back and to start it over again. It's going to take a lot. You know, you may not have people believing in your product or believing in your business, believing in you right away. But as soon as they start seeing it pop in, trust me, they're going to come around. They always do. So, you know, just stay focused on what you need to do. And just because you had a business and it didn't go the way that you plan, or you have a current business and you're not getting as many sales and you really don't know what to do or how to market. Sorry if you hear my baby. He's in the back and I really want to get this video out to you. If you have an online business and you're not getting the sales that you thought that you would be getting, don't give up. Try to figure out what the problem is. Is it your marketing? Is it your content? It's something that's stopping you from getting those sales. And so it doesn't matter if you don't have anybody believing in you. As long as you believe in you and you believe in your product and your brand and you stand by it, continue to stand and be loyal to your company, and your brand will be loyal back to you. It will pay off. Even though you're not where you want to be right now when it comes to your business, trust me. Trust the process. It's all going to pay out. It's all going to play out at the end. I just really wanted to just share my experience with you, because even though, like I said, I had a huge online business store that did amazing, that celebrities were wearing my product. I had influencers all over YouTube, all over Instagram, and all over Facebook wearing my product. And at the time, I felt like I failed when I closed it down, or I wasn't able to make $30,000 a month. I felt like I failed. At the end of the day, I gained so much. This present day, I have the mindset. I know exactly what it takes. I know exactly where I went wrong. I know exactly how to upscale. I know exactly how to market. And most importantly, I am now reaching out. I feel comfortable enough reaching out to mentors, more successful hair business, and asking them questions. Before, I wouldn't have done that because I was still trying to figure stuff out on my own. Trust the process. Don't let anyone get in your way. You need to get out of your own way and just make it happen. I really just want to grow our community and grow our tribe, and I'm just so ready to share this new chapter with you guys. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.